Hey Internet, so here is the code to automate renaming files by date. The code is in the pinned comment. This was one of my coding projects. So if you ever worked in an office job, you'll probably know that you have to update your files or like rename them. So I've got this test folder. Now we want to rename these to report and then the date following it. So I'm just going to open some of them up. Note that these have been I guess renamed before, so that's why the pop-up asks which I guess file to open. So some basic text, so that's ABC123, and then a whole bunch of random ones with very similar text. So just like random stuff, just showing you this beforehand, so when it actually runs and it renames it, you can see that nothing's changed. It's not just a blank file. Alright, so there we go. Okay, so now if we run it and we copy the file path or the folder path, then we paste it in, and I will move my terminal down a little bit, and if we press enter, there we go, it changes it to report, and then the day, the month, and then the year, as you can see in this part of the code. So it has report and then has day, month, year. Alright, so basically the code just strips the file name and then renames it to the new file name, which is report and then the date. Alright, and now I'll show you that it does work. So once again, we open it up, ABC123, and here we go. So same stuff, and then some random text which was the same. Okay, and yeah, there we go, same stuff. So no files are damaged or corrupted or deleted, they just renamed the file. Alright, thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications, leave a comment below if this was interesting or useful. Until next time, see ya.